Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaCentre 3 i22-inch all-in-one computer. Now, right off the bat, it's important to note that this specific unit is listed as upgraded. What that means is the original seal was opened solely to install some significant hardware bumps, and then it was resealed. So, you're getting a machine that's been enhanced right out of the box. And those enhancements are pretty substantial. This IdeaCentre 3 comes with a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. For an all-in-one in this class, that's a huge amount of memory, making multitasking incredibly smooth. You can have tons of tabs open, run multiple applications simultaneously, and the system should handle it with ease. Paired with that is a speedy 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This isn't just a standard hard drive, it's fast solid-state storage, meaning Windows 11 Pro, which this unit is upgraded to, boots up quickly, applications load in a flash, and file transfers are rapid. The combination of 32 gigabytes RAM and a 1TB SSD really elevates the performance beyond what you'd typically expect from an IdeaCentre 3i. Under the hood, it's powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i3-1220p processor. This is a modern chip featuring a 10-core design with 2 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, plus 12 threads, boosting up to 4.4 GHz. For everyday computing tasks like browsing the web, working on documents, streaming video, and managing emails, this processor is more than capable. It provides a responsive experience for typical home or office use. The display is a 21.5-inch full HD panel. It features a 3-sided thin bezel design, which gives it a clean, modern look and maximizes the screen real estate within the footprint. It offers wide viewing angles, so the picture looks good even when viewed from the side. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel UHD graphics. This is perfectly fine for standard desktop use, watching videos and light photo editing, but it's not designed for demanding gaming or professional graphics work. There's also a 720p HD camera built in for video calls. Connectivity is solid with Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring fast wireless speeds and reliable connections to peripherals. Port selection includes 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 faster USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A ports, HDMI out to connect another display, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a headphone microphone combo jack. It covers the essentials for connecting your devices. Lenovo includes a wireless keyboard and mouse, which helps keep your desk tidy. The audio system is Harman Kardon certified with 2 3W stereo speakers, which should provide decent sound quality for an all-in-one. It even comes with a handy mobile phone stand and a free 32 gigabytes USB drive. The whole package is finished in black, has a compact footprint, and weighs around 13.43 pounds, making it easy to set up and move if needed. Overall, this upgraded Lenovo IdeaCentre 3 i22-inch AIO looks like a fantastic option for someone needing a powerful, space-saving computer for productivity, multitasking, and general home use. The significant RAM and SSD upgrades really make it stand out and provide a level of performance that should keep it feeling fast and responsive for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.